Hey, good morning. It's Bob from Trade Genius, the 26th of August, and I want to talk about cryptos a little bit because we're running a special in the room. We spent a great deal of time writing some coursework up to help people understand what's going on here, really from a trader's perspective, and also from a strategic future look at the power of the cryptocurrency and the blockchain and what it's going to mean for your life, both in speculation as trading, but also as opportunities to really get in the ground floor of some really interesting companies, and also move away from companies that are going to get slaughtered by this revolution that's coming. And make no mistake, it is a revolution. You know, we've been trading the cryptocurrencies in our advanced binary option room for quite some time, and it was really kind of a geeky thing for us. You know, it was just a few people really interested in it, and then Bitcoin started to make its move, and we got more and more people interested, more and more people joining the room, and more people asking a lot of questions. So we, in our TradeGeniusAcademy.com site, we went ahead and created 7 courses from what is currency all the way through how to trade it, how to build wealth, how to be part of ICOs, how to ratio trade between coins so that you can build, you know, your portfolio size, and also what coins to even get involved in. And the reason why I'm showing this screen here, this is one of the coins that came up for an ICO about 3-4 months ago, and I went ahead and I joined it. I literally put $1,000 in, and just to show you don't have to put a whole lot of money in to make a whole lot of money. And because we got in the ground floor on this, they have given us a 30% bump in the number of coins and tokens that we get, and the coins to spend, the token will actually create a dividend over time for us. So the coin has already moved 300%, and it'll open trade tomorrow on other exchanges. So it's a 500% return on money that was invested 2 months ago. And so if you find the right coins that will appreciate over time, you know, that's you know, you want to be with people that know how to find these and know which ones are good and which ones are going to be scams and which ones that really don't have staying power. You know, there's over 800 coins. 1 year from now, about 90% of those coins will be gone. They'll be worth nothing. The money that you invested in it was either given to the founders or spent on the infrastructure and the coding and the employees and so on and so forth. Some of it was just a scam. And so, you know, we look for ones that really will win. And it's not just, you know, this is Dimcoin. This is something you want to keep an eye on. It's going to be its own ecosystem. I think you're going to like it. And it's still not too late. When it starts trading next week, it'll probably have a little bit of a dip, probably because people selling out, take some profit, but it's gonna move much higher because it will pay a dividend over time for the transactions that are created inside the currency itself. But you know, the room also recommended to people Ethereum before it took off, and then Ethereum again after everybody said the bubble burst. Litecoin when it sold off and everybody said that bubble has burst, and Bitcoin, everybody was selling it ahead of what they called the fork, and we were recommending people to buy into that sell-off. And if you did, you got doubles all around, you know, in Ethereum and Litecoin and Bitcoin. And so that's the power of our room. And what we've done is we have the courses. Right now, if you want to get them before the end of the month, you can use a promo code called Make Money, and you can get it for 50% off the cover price. But we're also throwing in 1 year free membership to the room. So for what you're going to pay for it, and the room itself is $99 a month normally, and I think you'll like it. We're excited about it. We think this is going to be the future, and we want to invest in you. And you know, we want to go ahead and build a community of really sharp traders, and a community that we all can help each other, because I think this is where the money's going to be made probably in the next 12 to 24 months. The stock market's going to go through some pretty wrenching dislocations here in terms of it's just extremely overvalued. The banks are in trouble. I think people are going to look to bail out of the banks. Currencies are in trouble, and I think people are going to look for things that you could store value, because the scarcity of the coins that we're following and recommending and trading in ourselves. So anyways, Bob from Trade Genius, I thought I'd put the pitch out there for you and just show you just one example of the money that you can make trading these cryptocurrencies. Now, not I don't want to say everything's like this, but we're doing pretty well, and we want you to do well as well. Have a great day. I'll have some more videos out on the market a little bit later this weekend. Bye bye.